So today I'm just going to be going over how to actually design and put the parts that you've gotten into CAD together. So you're just going to want to start by importing a file. I'm just going to do 160, or no, I'm going to do 288 channel. Close, click on the link, zoom out a little bit. So you're going to want to rotate it first, because generally you don't want it straight up for your chassis. Click F8 if you want it to snap, so have it exactly perfect. Just going to move this. Just going to move this. Pretty sure I just moved it up. Just gonna move that over there. Then I'm gonna import a motor mount. This is just gonna be basic, like getting the motor mount, putting the motor mount on there, and putting a motor in the motor mount. But it gives you the basics on how to get this. You're gonna want to click rotate up here. This is 3D rotate, this is 3D move, and this is just regular move. You're gonna want to click. You're gonna want to click on the object, click enter. Then you're gonna want to select base or specify base point. I'm just gonna put that like right there. Click on the home view so it's easy to see, and then pick rotation axis. I'm just gonna click that axis, and then you're gonna want to click that, enter, or not click that, but drag it up there. Click on that again, and so now we have it upright, but it is not in the right orientation to put it on the channel. So you're gonna want to click, or you're gonna want to click 3D rotate again. Click the object, click enter, specify base point again. And then this time you're gonna want to click the blue axis, and then you're gonna want to drag it over there. Enter, and then now that you have it in the correct orientation, you can click on 3D move up here, click on it, click enter, and then you can find one of these nodes, and then you're going to want to go on to the channel and actually find the node that goes with it. Sometimes this part can be hard. In my experience, this is the hardest part, because sometimes the nodes don't exactly snap, but to make sure you can get it on there, you can click to make sure you got it on there, you can click conceptual. And to make it easier when you are putting on it, I like X-ray, because you can, it's like a wire, it's like 2D wireframe, but you can still see the solid form. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and import another motor mount, because I'm gonna do one on each side. Open, close, click on the link. There we go. 3D rotate. There we go. Enter. Specify base point. I'm going to rotate it this way first. I'm going to rotate it this way. There we go. It was being a little weird there for a second. Enter. Specify base point. Right over there. Because why not? Pick rotation axis and pick the angle you want to rotate it at, which for me is right there. So then you're going to want to click 3D move again, go over to here, click it, click enter, find that node. Sometimes they like to hide from you, but you're going to have to find them. Then you're going to want to find the correct, let me count over here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to want to find the correct thing, the correct hole. Then you're going to want to click on the node. Sometimes you get it in the wrong node. You just got to find the right one. On these channels, there are quite a few nodes, so you can just go into conceptual and then to see if you made it in the right node. I'm going to go back to, not 2D wireframe, I'm going to go back to X-ray. Now, so you have the channel, you have your motor mounts. Now you gotta get your motors. So import other formats. Torque. I'm just gonna use the Tornado motor because that's what we mainly use on our robot. So gonna click open, close, click on the link. Okay, click 3D rotate. Click that. Click enter. Specify base point. Pick rotation axis. I'm gonna rotate it there. Then you're gonna want to click it, rotation again. Click enter. Specify base point. And click that angle. I'm gonna click right there. Wait, what? Sometimes it's a little finicky. Now you're gonna want to click 3D move. Click the object. Click enter. And you're gonna be able to find nodes in the actual motor. That's what you're gonna want to click. And then in this motor mount, this right there, right there, my mouse is hovering over, is the node you're gonna want to do. So to get that node, you're gonna, usually it helps if you go on the outside of it. See, mine is highlighted now when I have my mouse out there, so you can just click, and there you go, you got a motor in there. So then you're gonna click import other formats, to another motor, open, close, there, 3D rotate, there, click enter. I'm gonna rotate it on this axis. Right there. Wait, what the? Gonna click back. Click 3D rotate, click enter. Specify base point right there. Specify rotation axis and rotate it. Rotation again, specify base point, and rotate it. And rotate it. There we go. 3D move. Click on it, click enter. Find this node. Right there. Zoom in on this. Go to the outside. There we go. So got two motors on there. Now you're gonna want to go and click import, and you're gonna want to find what wheel you are using. We use Mecanums, so I'm just gonna open a Mecanum wheel real quick. Click on that. So Mecanum wheels look really weird in this, so they're a little hard to put on, but it's doable. Everything is doable. So you're gonna want to click 3D move, click on the Mecanum wheel, click enter, find the correct node, which is this is hard. Mecanum wheels, in my opinion, are by far the hardest one to put on. When this happens, you just gotta click on, or right click this, click parallel. It's annoying, but you gotta do it. So yeah, basically you just gotta attempt to find the right one. I'm gonna get it out of X-ray. Sometimes that's the issue. 2D wire, not conceptual. Actually, I'll try it in conceptual. 3D move, click that, click enter. Find the right node. I think I got it. Click on that. Oh wait, what? Okay. 3D move, click on the wheel. Wait. Okay. So when this happens, when it gets all finicky like this, just click escape, and it will cancel it. So 3D move, click on the wheel, click enter, click on the node that you want to use. Now you're going to want to zoom in on your motor, and there should be a node on the very end of the motor. You're just going to click that. I believe I did not get it right. So this is what is a little annoying sometimes about AutoCAD. You sometimes get it on the wrong hole or node. So you're going to want to click back. Gotta find where you did that. Okay. 3D move. Click on it, click enter. Find the right node. Don't think I got the right one, but might as well try. Click on that. and did not get the right one. So the issue with mechanical wheels is there are so many holes on them, like all of these holes, and they have nodes for each hole. So you just gotta keep trying until you find the right one. Okay, enter. Go over here. I'm gonna go for that one right now. Zoom in on this. Get that end node right there. That was not right. Click escape. Go back. 3D move. Click on it. Click enter. I'm gonna move the mouse and the camera so I can get a better angle on the node. So and I know the actual hole that you put the shaft in on this mechanical wheel is weird. I couldn't find the right mechanical wheel. I'm gonna try it from the back side. Okay. Try and find a node. No, I'm gonna try that one. Why not? Gonna click home because I got myself lost. Zoom in on this. Get that node highlighted. Okay, that was the wrong one. Yeah, that looks like the wrong one. With different wheels, it's easier because you don't have as many holes. I'm just gonna leave it at this because I'm running out of time. Generally, I went over the basics. If you need to do anything else, these all apply to generally all of the parts that you can download. So I hope this helped. Have fun with your 3D designing.